the way that our brain has evolved matters. Our brain has evolved based on the reward system. What are the things that have kept us alive over hundreds of years? Procreation, eating food, getting comfort and having connection. We have evolved to the point where we can manipulate on purpose those rewards. If there was no reward out there beyond the cave, we would just lay in the cave. There becomes this restlessness inside the cave, right? So the motivation is to get up and go out. Now, if I'm in the cave and someone's delivering me pizza and someone's delivering me sugar and someone's delivering me pornography and they're delivering me a computer where I can have social interaction, what is the reason for me to ever leave the cave? So what does that do? What does it do for me? What does it do for you? What has it done to all of us? We're left with ourselves inside the cave. Leaving the cave is scary. It's uncomfortable. It's unfamiliar. It's the last thing your brain wants to do. And if your brain has the option of eating a cookie or leaving the cave, surfing Facebook for cat videos, it's going to pick cat videos every single time. So this is where you have to start recognizing that your brain is simply a tool. Your brain is simply the computer, and you, the essence of who you are, is the manager of the computer. Now that's where the magic happens, because that's where the life coaching comes in, the emotional stuff comes in, the interesting stuff about your purpose in your life and what really matters to you. If you don't have something to pad those emotions, if you don't have something to provide you with a reward that is completely unearned, then the only option you have is to grow and to become better at managing emotions. And the other thing that it does is it takes you from a life that is unsatisfactory to you and motivates you to change it.